Hi, good afternoon. My name is Andy Batterman. I'm the product manager for ABB for our cable tray and strut. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about our cable tray. The difference that you'll get with ABB Cable Tray is a high quality design for your industrial applications and a large breadth of line for the different applications you might need. So this is just a model example of what the cable tray would look like. The difference with our cable tray is clearly seen in the rungs of the cable tray, where it's very similar to a piece of strut, and therefore you can use nearly any strut accessories to hold down the cables. Also, you'll notice that the holes in the rungs are square, which allows for easier connections with cable tie accessories. Tie wraps can be used really easily through the rungs. And then we also purposely space the rungs up and down so you can use the cable tray in a variety of different ways. Now we have a wide variety, including what you'll normally see are our aluminum H-frame cable tray, which is the most common for our customers. We also have available U-frame in aluminum. We have U-frame in steel. And so we have a wide variety of different options available, as well as widths up to 42 inches, lengths up to 30 feet. So we have all of the different options that you might need for your job site. One of the things I'd like to point out is some of the innovations that we have on our cable tray line. One thing that is special to our line is we have what we call our splice plate over-support adapter. And this over-support adapter is unique in that it's the only of its kind, but it allows for using over a splice plate where you might have a wrong support in place, so you can spread out the load of your cable tray and you don't have to worry about putting in an extra support where you might not want to. One of the other unique applications we have is what we call our Helix. The Helix allows you to go from a horizontal to a vertical bend without additional support. So instead of 4 extra pieces, you can go directly from a horizontal to a vertical without having all of the added hardware. Also, one of the products that we have in our tray line is our basket tray. We call it our QuickTurn basket tray. The QuickTurn is unique in that it all comes pre-finished. You can get pre-made accessories, and with the pre-done fittings, we have a variety of different options available, as well as our QuickTurn comes with free end connections where you get a full ground on the connections. You don't have to run an extra ground wire, saving a lot of time and money on installation. Now, if you're interested in any of our cable tray or basket tray options, please see your local Warner Electric Supply representative.